Hello viewers, follow through as I answer question 18 from a 2016 grade 12 internal mathematics paper 1. Question 18 has got two parts, A and B. A is on calculus integration and B is on trigonometry, calculating area of non-right angle triangles. Working out the first part A, it reads, find the integral of 6x squared minus 5 in brackets with respect to x. So for the first part, solution will go as follows. For integration, this is a concept that just involves, on each term, we are going to add the 1 to the index of the variable, and then we are going to divide by the new index. So it's a concept that just involves, on each term, we are going to add a 1 to the index of the variable and then divide by the new index. So from what we've been given here, we want to find the integral of 6x squared minus 5 in brackets with respect to x. So for the first step, we are going to write the following: 6x to the power 2. 6x to the power 2. We are going to add a 1 to power 2. And then this will give us a new index, which we are going to divide. So 2 plus 1. Then minus, on 5. On the second term, 5 doesn't have x. So we need to introduce x. So introduction of x, the x that we are going to introduce is going to have power 0. So this is because x to the power 0 is the same as 1, and 1 times 5 will give us what we have there in the equation 5. So we haven't changed the equation. We are going to add a 1 to this 0 that we've introduced, and that will give us a new index that we are going to divide. Then, since this is an indefinite integral, we introduce plus c. So for the next stage, we're going to write the following: 6x, so 2 plus 1, that is 3. And then again on the denominator, 2 plus 1, again, that is 3. Then minus 5x, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then over 0 plus 1, that is also 1. Then plus c. We can divide 6 divided by 3, that gives a 2. So on the first term, we are going to have a coefficient of 2. Then the variable is going to have power 3. So 2x to the power 3. Then 1 into 5 gives 5. And then x to the power 1 is the same as just x. So on the second term, we are going to have negative 5x. Then plus c. So this here is the answer to the first part. Going to part B, the question reads, the diagram below shows triangle PQR in which PQ is equal to 12 centimeters, QR is equal to 10 centimeters, and angle PQR is equal to 150 degrees. So there is our triangle showing that information. Then the question is, calculate the area of triangle PQR. To calculate the area of triangle PQR on B, first of all, we write down the formula. So there is a formula for calculating area of non-right angle triangles, and this one is just given by A is equal to 1 over 2. Now, how do we pick the sides and the angles? So for sides, we pick the sides that have been given here, the two sides, and for the angle, it is the included angle that is given on Q there. So for the sides, we are picking on the side R, small r. So this is the side that is opposite to the angle R. And the other side is side P, small p, which is the side QR. And this one is opposite to the angle P. So we are going to write the formula as follows. Area is equal to 1 over 2 P R, then sine Q, capital Q. So for angles, we denote them using capital letters. Then for sides, we denote them using small letters. So for area, this is going to equal to, we substitute on P, we are going to write 10, so times 10, then times on R, that will be 12. So R is the side PQ. Then times sine 150, since Q is denoting the angle 150. So area is going to equal to, now let me say something about sine 150. So sine 150 is under special angles, and it is equal to, sine 150 is the same as 1 over 2. So if you follow special angles, sine 150 is the same as 1 over 2. So under sine 150, we are just going to simply write 1 over 2, half. And then we can simplify. 1 over 2 times 10, here we can find half of 10, that will give us 5. Then 12 times half, here also we can simplify, find half of 12, which is 6. So we're getting area equal to 5 times 6, and 5 times 6 is 30, and here we are dealing with centimeters. So area is going to equal to 30 centimeters squared. So that is our answer on part B. Thank you so much for watching this video. So don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you so much.